Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagel bites in an air fryer. First, gather your frozen bagel bites and ensure your air fryer is clean and ready to go. Next, preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for even cooking and a crispy finish. Once preheated, arrange your bagel bites in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. This allows the hot air to circulate properly around each bite. Now that your bagel bites are in the air fryer, it's time to cook them to perfection. Set your air fryer to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. For best results, give the basket a good shake halfway through the cooking time. This helps ensure all sides get equally crispy. Keep an eye on them. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown crust and perfectly melted, bubbly cheese. The exact time might vary slightly depending on your specific air fryer model. To achieve the absolute best bagel bites, remember a few key tips. Firstly, never overcrowd your air fryer basket. Cooking in batches ensures even crisping. Secondly, for an extra crispy texture, you can lightly spray the bagel bites with a bit of cooking oil before air frying. Finally, once they're done, serve them immediately. They are best enjoyed hot and fresh, perhaps with a side of marinara or ranch dressing for dipping. Enjoy every delicious bite. Your perfectly air-fried bagel bites are ready. Before you dig in, let them cool for just 1 minute. The cheese will be incredibly hot, so a little patience prevents burnt tongues. These make a fantastic quick snack or a fun appetizer for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your delicious, crispy bagel bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.